Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to extract frames from a video. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you're going to need a free tool called VLC Media Player. Open VLC Media Player by searching for it in your device's search bar. After opening VLC, go to the top left of the window, tap on Media, and then select Open File. Find and open the file you want to work with. I will first show you how to take a single frame from the video, and then I will show you how to break down the whole video into multiple frames. To take a single frame, play the video and pause it at the frame you want. Go to the top left, tap on Video, and then select Take Snapshot. The screenshot will be saved, and a notification will tell you where it has been saved, typically in your Pictures folder. I'll demonstrate this again. As you can see, the snapshot is in my Pictures folder. To break down a whole video into frames, go to the top left and tap on Tools, then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the bottom left where it says Show Settings and select All for Advanced Preferences. Scroll down until you see the Video option, expand it, then click on Filters. Scroll down until you see Scene Filter and click on it. In the Scene Filter settings, choose the image format for the frames. Such as PNG, you can leave the image width and height at -1, which will adapt to the video characteristics by default. Set the directory path where the frames will be saved. I recommend creating a new folder for this purpose, as you may get a lot of frames. Copy the path of this folder and paste it into the directory path prefix field in VLC. Set the recording ratio, which is the ratio of images to be recorded. For example, a ratio of 30 means one image will be saved for every 30 frames. Once you're happy with the settings, scroll up on the left and click on Filters again. Make sure to enable the Scene Video filter by checking the box next to it. Press Save to apply the settings. Now close VLC Media Player. When you reopen it and play the video, VLC will save the frames according to your settings. Let the video play through completely to capture all the frames. Once done, open the folder you set as the directory path. You'll see all the captured frames saved with the interval you selected. Finally, it's crucial to disable the scene filter setting after capturing the frames to avoid VLC capturing frames every time you play a video. To do this, go to Tools, then Preferences, select All in the bottom left, scroll down to Video, tap on Filters, and uncheck the Scene Video filter box. Press Save to apply the changes. So that's basically how to extract frames from a video. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.